Welcome to my shop again. Here's another in the Tuesdays tips series. What happens when wood is exposed to oxygen? It oxidizes. Some varieties of wood change color significantly. When you have a fresh cut piece of especially walnut or cherry, some other varieties will work too, the sapwood is really white, and a stark contrast between the sapwood and the heartwood. And then the sapwood turns brown after a few months or years and kind of mutes the contrast between the two. What do we do to keep an apple or an avocado from turning brown? Well, what can we do with wood, sapwood, to keep it from turning brown? Let's put some lemon juice on it, and it won't prevent it from getting a little bit darker, but it will keep a lot more contrast than without lemon juice. I'm going to try this with this maple burl. Has some contrast between the white maple and the color of the burl. I just slobber it on just multiple times over while I get the finish turning done, and then after I've sanded it and in between 3 or 4 times, I'll just slobber inside and out, slobber some lemon juice on it. This will soak into and penetrate the pores of the wood and helps it stay white for longer and doesn't turn dark so fast so much.